Hi everyone, Rene with Why Am I Green here, and we are at Buck's Naked BBQ Steakhouse today. And my brother came here a while back with his son, who both like hot wings, and they said that these folks have the #1 rated hot wings in the state of Maine, which is where I am, and this is in Freeport, Maine. So we're going to go inside and try them for ourselves. Buck's Naked BBQ Steakhouse. Hopefully I'll still be standing when this is over. So let's go inside. I'm going to be having their world famous hot barbecue wings. In fact, they're going to be coming over shortly and having me sign a waiver. So we're going to be having some barbecue wings with ribs, and I'll show you them when they come out. See you in a minute. Well, the food just came. I ordered half a rack of ribs and only 4 wings. That's kind of the deal. And look at this. Wow. The rack, it looks like something from the Flintstones. Okay, you put on the car and these wings. Ooh, you can smell the Caspasian. It's 1.2 million Scovilles, she said. 1.2 million Scovilles. So we'll be trying those. I'm going to eat some of the ribs and food first because I'd like to taste it. Then we'll have this. Well, I still have taste buds.
Yeah, I know Rene's food is really fun, but I got a burger. Yummy. And what you got there?
Here's the waiver they're going to have me sign. It says,
What's that?
I, my name, acknowledge that I voluntarily applied to participate in the following activity at Buck's Naked BBQ in Freeport, Maine. Let's see, I'm aware that touching or inhaling these peppers may include severe pain. Extreme caution is advised in handling the peppers. I understand that they are known to be the hottest pepper of all spices, measured at over 1 million Scoville units at New Mexico State University at Las Cruces, September 2006. So anyway, let me just go ahead and sign this. In case you don't hear from me, it's legal. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the Galveston sauce. Here we go. Wow. I don't think eating them fast makes them any less hot. At once.
Is that really hot?
I can't feel my tongue. Hold on. Oh, hiccups are starting. Okay.
Folks, these are doused in that sauce.
Oh yeah, they cook them and then they douse them in. Don't rub your eyes, okay? Fair sauce, here, try it.
How you doing there?
Doing good. even notice the heat. Very good. I would say very tasty, but
Can't taste anything?
I really can't taste anything right now. I'm using that. Wow. If I don't get too much in my beard, I'll have a surprise later. Don't even notice it.
Oh, good.
Hot dogs, hamburgers.
Whew. Nose is watering. I got the hiccups. I don't feel my lips anymore.
Go.
Okay, so I had two. I'm going to leave the other two for home. I like to be able to taste my food. They were pretty hot. I think I could smell colors right now. And I'm saving my ribs, the half a rack. I only ate a quarter of a half rack.
The ribs are good.
Oh, they're very good. Very meaty, so I'm having that go home. And I guess they call the sauce on this stuff slap your mama sauce, okay? Glad I didn't bring it with me because she would have slapped me back. So anyways, and here comes some refreshments to put the fire out. So you gotta try this place, Buck's Naked Barbecue sauce in Freeport, Maine. If you go to LLB, just as you get off the interstate, it's just to the right. Excellent place, great food, a lot of food for the money. Great tasting. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Whew.